Today I'm going to be showing you the bare essentials guide on how to set up OBS. This means you've just sat down, you want to start streaming or recording, and you don't know where to start. So let's just get into this. Now, this might look a little overwhelming, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a new scene. You will have nothing here at all. So let's just do how to. Alright, so now that you have this scene created, you won't have either of these two, the microphone and display capture. They are here so you can hear me and see what I'm doing. What you will want to do first is press this little add feature in sources, go to display capture, click on that, create this as your screen. This will capture your entire screen. You can have it to any monitor you want, but yeah, mainly set it to your main monitor, your primary monitor. Once that is done, it'll capture your entire screen. Although that's not ideal because it captures your entire screen. So if you tab out or bring up something that you don't want to, the entire stream or recording will see it. In this case, let's say you're just streaming a game. Go back to the sources add button, go to game capture. We want to call this the game that you will be streaming or recording. Fortnite, okay. In the mode, select capture specific window. Change the window to your game. And then there you go. Your game is now there. Think of your sources as a sandwich. Whatever is on top will be seen and whatever is on the bottom will not be seen, or it will be like the lowest layer. Your microphone might not be set up, so what I'm going to get you to do is go to File, press Settings. Your settings will appear. Go to Audio, disable your desktop audio 2. Just disable all of this. You don't want any of this. This is very unreliable audio. Once you do that, press OK. Now, because we've disabled all of your audio devices, we're going to add them all individually. The reason we're doing this is so you can control each audio input separately. Let me get my face cam up real quick. There we go. I'm just going to chill up here. So what you want to do is press the add in the sources and go application audio capture, the second one. Now in here, there is a multitude of things that you can add to your audio. So many things play audio. So let's say you need your Fortnite audio. So Fortnite audio, call it whatever you like, just so you know what it is, press OK. This is going to pop up. Capture specific window, Fortnite client, okay. And there you go. You've got your Fortnite audio. Now that you have your Fortnite audio, you're going to need your microphone. So press the add in sources again, and this time we're going to go to audio input capture. Once you click on that, call it your mic or whatever you would like, press OK. The device, whatever your device is, it should be up there, press OK. And now you're probably going to hear me twice. Let's get rid of that. So now that you have your microphone and your game audio, let's say you also want to get your Spotify. Again, add in the sources button, application audio output capture, create new Spotify app, okay. Capture specific window, the window is Spotify, okay. And now you have Spotify being captured. I'm going to delete that. Your sources area can get a little bit messy. So what I like to do is I like to select all of the audio and group. And then this will just group them into a folder that you can close away. And then whenever you have more audio, you just drag it in there. Okay, I've just deleted a few things just to get them out of the way. What we are going to do next is tinker with the audio. On the left, at the bottom left, you can see your audio mixer. Your arrangement of tabs are going to be very different to mine. I've customized mine so it fits perfectly on my vertical monitor. So you're just going to have to locate these tabs. If you cannot see them, look at the top left in docs, and it should be under here somewhere. So we're going for audio mixer. You can't see it. There we go. We're going for audio mixer, this one right here. Now for my example, it is at the bottom left. We've got the microphone and we've got Fortnite audio. This. We can see that the Fortnite audio is currently playing. With your microphone, you want your microphone like halfway through the orange or top of the orange. You don't want it any higher than that or else it will peak. Just as a little demonstration, this is what it will sound like if it peaks. Sweet. Now that the microphone is set up, you want the Fortnite audio to be around -25 to -20. So you might have yours in a vertical layout. It doesn't really matter. You can right click and change. I prefer landscape. You want it -20, -25, and then once you get some audio in here such as Spotify, you want that 5 decibels lower than your game audio, so you would have at -30, -35. I have my camera set up already, but if you do have a camera that you would like to set up, go to the sources, press add, head to video capture device, Select that. Call it cam or whatever you will know as your camera. Once selected, your camera should show up in the device list. For example, mine is the Camlink 4K for my camera. Select that. Everything else should be fine. Just press OK. I'm pretty sure, yeah. So you can only have your camera inputted once on one software. So because I have two of them, they don't like to work together. So what you want to do is make sure you only have one camera input from that camera, not open in any other software. You can't have it open in Discord, you can't have it open in Chrome. Just have the camera open to OBS or else you're going to have some problems. Once it is in your source though, resize it. A little tip is if you're dragging it around, if you hold control, it won't snap to anything. If you want to crop it, you hold Alt. That way it keeps the position, keeps the size, just crops in. Control Z to go back on any mistakes you may have made. And you literally just go to the screen, hold down and drag, and you can reposition it wherever you would like. What I have done is I have got my camera. I made myself a color source called Cam Shadow, and it is a black background which I have made to 33% opacity, and I've stuck it behind the camera to give it a shadow effect. See, it's got a little bit of a shadow to it, and if you get rid of it, it's gone, obviously. Just to make my stream look a little bit cleaner, and yeah. With this folder, once it's all set up to your liking, you can go to any scene and add group, add existing, you just choose whatever. I've already got it added to the group, to the scene, so I can't select it again. Next up, you're going to need some alerts. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you here. Don't go with Nightbot. Don't go with Stream Elements. Stick with Streamlabs. Streamlabs is, I'm not sponsored or anything, it is just so much better. So you want to head over to Streamlabs, streamlabs.com, go to your dashboard. If you have not created a Twitch account or YouTube account or whatever account that you would like to stream on, go make that first. It'll ask you to log in with that account and it will be linked. There's a few things you need to do on here. First of all, head to Alertbox. Up here, you will have your widget URL. Copy this, head back to OBS. Into your sources area again, you want to press add and you want to go to browser. Click on that, set it to Streamlabs Alert. I'm just going to name it test so I can get rid of it after. In the URL section, you want to paste the URL that we just got from Streamlabs. Press OK, and now you reposition it to wherever you would like. You can also test it. We go back to Chrome. We go test on the right here. If we just go subscribe, and that's there. So you can resize this, position it wherever you would like. It's pretty simple, but now we need to set up the audio for your alert. As we've done for everything, you want to go add, you want to go application audio output capture. You want to call this Streamlabs Audio. Press OK, press window, and you want to select your OBS. Press OK. Now that that's in there, we can put it into our audio tab. We can head back to Chrome. We will test this once again. And now that that's working, we can adjust the volume to our liking.
Kevin, subscribe. Kevin, subscribe. This is a subscription.
Alright, it is playing twice because I've got this source set up twice. Now, having your alerts in here is good and all, but a mistake a lot of people make is not putting it at the very top layer in your sources. Make sure it is at the very top and all your audio can sit at the very bottom. On to the next thing. You want to go back to dashboard, go to CloudBot. My face is in the way. Head to CloudBot here, Streaming Essentials. Click on that, and you need to activate your CloudBot. Once activated, you can set up commands, you can set up timers, you can set up multiple things, your bots, giveaways, polls, betting, anything you would like. I would suggest to have a scroll through here. One thing I do think you should do is go into the mod tools and just set up what auto mods you would like in your chat. For example, I just have word protection. I'm not going to go in there. I've written down some words that I don't want to be seen. But don't forget to mod Streamlabs. Go to your chat, /mod Streamlabs, press enter, and it'll mod it. But now you have the bare essentials. You can always head back to your Streamlabs alert box, go to your subs or your follows, and start customizing. Put in an image, put in a sound. You can preview it here. You can change the font here. You can change the colors. There's so much you can do. Head to Streamlabs. That's where you change it all. One thing, if you haven't done already, it's pretty much essential. If you don't do it, you're not going to be able to stream. Go to File, go to Settings, go to Stream, select your stream service, and connect account. It'll get you to log in, and that is how you set up your Twitch or your YouTube or whatever. Very easy, very simple. That is what we've just set up is your gaming. If you'd like your just chatting screen, just full screen your camera. You can get very creative with this. I also have a transition. I can get really in depth if you guys would like. I can show you how I've got my sub goal up there. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, and thanks for watching.